Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TrendLineses.com. So yesterday I did a video about AMC, and today, as many of you are asking me in the comments, I'm going to do a video only on GME. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's start with the chart. I'm going to do the same as I did yesterday for AMC. First, we're going to analyze only the technicals. Then we're going to go to the option market and try to find information that is relevant to what can happen on the price. So, as usual, we take a step back and we try to see what is happening here. So, bam, we had clearly here a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but this is 1, 2, 3. This is only a third wave. I think we're on a big false wave, A, B, C, D, E, and we are waiting to break out on the upside, probably above 260, 280, to make a fifth wave. So for now, we are still in this corrective false wave. I have to say that this counting has been updated at some point, and we're gonna follow the price action. So for now, what we can say is that we are in the bullish development. So let's zoom in. We are clearly in a bullish development here. So what the question we're having is this false wave that I just showed you on a bigger time frame complete here, and this is the beginning of the fifth, or are we still in the false? Question. For now, as long as we are below this trend line, 280, there is still a possibility that this is a false wave and that after reaching that level, we're gonna correct more. It's possible. Another scenario is that this false wave corrective pattern is complete with the E wave coming here, A, B, C, D, E, triangle that usually often happen in false waves, and that this is already the beginning of a fifth wave that is gonna look like this, okay? Something like that. So we don't have enough information here to know and answer this question with a high probability. So what we can do is to see what is happening on the shorter term. So on the shorter term, we are looking to get a hint about if the trend is up or down. We need to find where the 5 waves pattern is happening. So basically, whenever you have 5 waves in a direction, can be up or down, it means that it's very likely to be the trend. So for now, we have 1, 2, 3, very, very obvious. Then here, 4. I mean, let's zoom in here, guys. I don't really like what happened here, let's be honest, because I'm going to show you what this is. This is a bearish divergence, all right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it's a fifth, guys, okay? We did a new high. So is the fifth wave complete? And then we're going to correct? Maybe. So maybe then this would be a first wave. We could also have something like this, like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's possible as well. So up, up, okay? This is something that we need to keep in mind. It's possible that this first wave won't go that high, okay? And we first gonna have a correction before going higher. I mean, from there, it's very hard to really say if this wave is complete or not. So what we can use, like I said, guys, on my Discord, is we can use trend lines here. And we can see that what happened here is not really nice. Okay, we had here the breakout on Friday and we moved lower. But does it mean that there is no alternative for fifth wave to come? No. And I would say same as for AMC, as long as we are above this trend line here, this could be still a false wave. It's not a nice false wave, let's be honest, because it shouldn't make a new high here. But it still can be a false wave. So to know if this false wave is natural or not, let's measure it, okay? Usually false waves, they like to go to the 38.2% of wave 3. Oh, surprise, where are we? 38.2%. Once again, guys, I don't invent these numbers. For those who are watching my video for some time, you know where I get it from, but for the new viewers, you need to have a look at that. Page 79 in the ELLIOTT wave book. False waves, they like to go to the 38.2% retracement of wave 3. So this is what I'm using here. So for now, there is nothing unusual. But below that, okay, if we start to break below 195, 180, this doesn't look like a false wave anymore. This looks like a correction starting. So this is the levels we are going to watch to know what might happen on the price action. And once again, to turn very bullish on my side. This is once again only my tools and it's not perfect, but it's definitely helping. I need to see the price action trading above this trend line here, guys. Okay, bam. So right now the level is, okay, it's going lower, 275 roughly. Okay, so I want to see the price action above that level and doing something like this, and this is going to be a buying level. Here we wait, it might squeeze as well. So basically this is what I'm seeing from technical analysis. Now let's have a look at the option market because it's full of information. So GME, okay, we refresh, okay, we load, nice. Okay, so what I'm looking at, 5% of synthetic short at the money, so right now, but okay, so this is the option market distribution. So you can see we have a massive strike at 950 with a lot of open interest, the biggest one just like we have for AMC. So this is creating this gamma. Okay, so we can see that from now 202 to when all the options are in the money, we go from 5% of synthetic short to 25%. So 20% increase, which means that market makers need to buy on the upside. That's what we call the gamma. Okay. We can see that it's coming from all the upside calls, mostly from the 950. So this is the reason why we have this bullish momentum on the upside. And once again, I only see AMC and GME having this kind of distributions. When I have a look at, okay, you want to quickly have a look at SPRT, but basically you don't have that many strikes. Okay, so in terms of number, it's absolutely insane. We are here close to 100%. Okay, 106%. But where is it coming from? We have some very upside, okay, but you have more at the 30. So even SPRT, but it's a completely different game. The market cap is smaller. I mean, I'm still trying to understand exactly how those squeezes are working. I mean, let's see. What I'm seeing is that, like, I don't understand how this can really not squeeze, but the price action is bearish right now. So like I'm saying on my Discord, guys, now I would be careful on those two, but let's see. I think we're going to have some surprises later. Let's go back to GME. Okay, I just wanted to show you that, guys, for you to see how the other squeeze plays are looking. And GME and AMC are still the ones that are the most impressive. Okay, and very interesting information I want to show you is where is it coming from, guys. Bam, we open and we try to look for the greens. So here, September. Okay, which one is this? 680 September. Sorry, where is the 950 strike? Here. Okay, and this one is coming from okay, bam, same thing, same as AMC, guys. So Gen 22 is the maturity where you have the most options on the 950 strike. Basically, it's not open on September and October, but still in terms of total option open interest, we have the same amount of options on Gen 22 as we do on Sep 21. So this means that once again, this phenomenon is gonna last. So I'm still gonna be making videos for sure in 3 months, maybe even in 6 months or 1 year on these two stocks, because it's still gonna move and there's still gonna be interesting things to say as we have this option distribution that is gonna put pressure on market makers for at least 3 months, even 6 months, Gen 22. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.